And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Andrew Chung.
Good Sunday evening, everyone. Once again, we had a very hot afternoon. No surprise, with mostly sunny skies, and it certainly was breezy. It'll stay hot and breezy for tomorrow, and no rain to speak of today. And it stays dry for tomorrow. Later on this week, we may have small rain chances. First of all, satellite picture, mostly sunny skies for this afternoon, though we may see a few more clouds again later on tonight. We did see some clouds in some parts of the valley early this morning. Talk about a very hot early Sunday evening. 107 right now in Rio Grande City, 100 in McAllen and Edinburgh. We're in the lower 90s in Brownsville, a cool spot if you want to call it cool. 92 in Raymondville and 96 degrees in Westaco. And of course, when you factor that humidity into the air temperature, it feels like 103 in Harlingen, 109 in McAllen, and also 109 in Rio Grande City. Look at the winds, folks. They're out of the south to southeast, anywhere from 23 to 28 miles an hour. Wow, a gust of 38 in Harlingen and 32 in Port Isabel. And the evening planner forecast, we're going to start off hot and breezy at 7 o'clock this evening, still breezy at 9 p.m. The winds will come down later on tonight. We're back to the mid-80s at 9 p.m., mostly clear skies. We may see partly cloudy skies by 11 o'clock tonight with temperatures in the lower 80s. We're tracking the tropics here at Channel 5. Happily, the Atlantic, the Gulf and Caribbean are all quiet, but in the Eastern Pacific, it's a different story. We have three systems. Here's Greg, here's Irwin, and there is Hillary. First of all, here's Tropical Storm Greg. Maximum winds are 50 miles per hour, moving to the west at 14 miles an hour. The forecast track takes a turn to the west-northwest, and Greg should become a tropical depression later on this week east of the Hawaiian Islands. Here's Tropical Storm Hillary. There's the Pacific coast of Mexico. Maximum winds are 60 miles an hour, moving to the west-northwest at 9 miles an hour. Hillary should become a hurricane over the next day or so. The forecast track keeps it offshore. However, there's a good chance for some high ocean swells and heavy surf along the Pacific coast of Mexico from at least Acapulco to Cabo San Lucas. In the middle is Tropical Storm Irwin. Maximum winds of 45 miles per hour, moving to the west at 8 miles an hour. The forecast track a little bit uncertain here, and the reason for that is there is a possibility Tropical Storm Irwin and Tropical Storm Hillary may interact with one another. So that's why the track right now has Irwin meandering a bit by Thursday and Friday of this week over open Pacific waters. Back home in the U.S., the reason for the hot weather here, of course, that big ridge of high pressure still in place over the valley, so it's that sinking air that compresses and warms, allowing temperatures to really heat up during the day. We have an upper level low over Louisiana, bringing lots of rain. Wish we could see some of that rain, but honestly, the rain chances are not very good for this week. At most, we have a 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms here in the valley Tuesday and Wednesday. That's thanks to a little bit more moisture instability, but again, it's only about a 20% chance of rain. So here's future track. Things look very quiet tonight, mostly clear to partly cloudy skies. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny by Monday afternoon. Then by Tuesday, we may have a slight chance for some showers and thunderstorms, perhaps in the mid-afternoon hours. On the water, small craft advisory in effect for the nearshore Gulf waters and the bay waters. Small craft should use caution for the offshore Gulf waters tonight. The bay waters are choppy. Seas are 3 to 6 feet. For tonight, partly cloudy, breezy and muggy with low temperatures the upper 70s. Then for tomorrow, mostly sunny, breezy and hot with a high temperature of 100. And here's that 7-day forecast. The scorching heat does continue. Once again, we're looking at a 20% chance of spotty showers or storms Tuesday and Wednesday. That's your First Warn 5 forecast. Now